Hello everyone, Caribbean E. Social distancing and with the mask on my face. And guess what that is? That's Caribbean Tina.
Haven't been out yet. This is the first time.
It's our groceries. Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a wonderful day and everything is going good for you and that you are in the best of health and that you're being safe in the environment that we now live in, which is what I call the new norm, COVID-19. This is for all the people that's either coming to the country or living in the country. This is the latest status of COVID-19 update for the Dominican Republic. So far, we've had 3,614 positive cases of the coronavirus here in the Dominican Republic, countrywide. I feel a lot of people are not being tested, so therefore these numbers probably are a lot different. Some people live in the bayous, some people live up on the mountains and things like this, which are not being tested, but they might be positive for the virus, not being counted in the numbers. The deaths so far in Santiago, Dominican Republic, and I believe this is also for the whole country, as 184 people have lost their lives because of COVID-19 in the entire country. 208 has recovered from the COVID virus. 208 people have recovered from the COVID virus here in the Dominican Republic, which is a good thing. Everybody don't die. Some people do survive this horrible and disgraceful virus we now have. So these people have recovered in the hospital. The health minister is saying here in the Dominican Republic, as of April 14th to 20th, that they have added 17 more days of the state of emergency. Social distancing, stay at home, and also a curfew is from 5 o'clock in the evening till 6 o'clock the next morning. 5 o'clock in the evening till 6 o'clock the next morning. So a lot of people got to get their tails home, stop playing in the street, stop playing around and by the water, get home, stay home. If not, you will be arrested by the police. So yesterday at 5 p.m., the health minister sent his recommendations during the day. The minister of her health. Everyone are required now to wear a mask while you're in public and social distancing. You know, like I know when I first got here a little over a year ago, Dominicans, people love to be all close up on one another, very, very close and personal. Even when you go to the food centers or wherever you go, people be close, stacked up on one another. Now they want you to have social distancing here and a mask, and they're forcing that by the letter of the law. The Dominican Republic, they are allowing testing free for all of their citizens. Okay, the mayor of Santiago, who was one of the greatest mayors I've seen in this country, period. A lot of people want him to run for president, but if he run for president, we'll lose him here in Santiago. So I want him to pretty much stay here, but whatever happens, happens. Free testing for all citizens in Santiago. Okay, they have set up, and this is the first one in the whole country. They have set up, and this is the mayor, have set up a mobile station here in the city. Okay, the first one in the DR. okay, for testing. Testing is free to the citizen. So it's a mobile COVID-19 testing station here in Santiago, Dominican Republic. So the Minister of Health is putting out all these guidelines to limit movement. And I heard now they're going to try to limit more movement during the day because there's some people that's out lingering around, hanging around, and just nothing better to do but just ride around with their motorcycles or whatever. If they don't have a mission, they're not going to the bank, they're not going to the drugstore or something like that. They should not be in public because the more people out, the more this virus will spread. So just an update for Caribbean E. I got some more information for you in the next few days, and I'm giving you the natural side of it, but I'm also going to give you the spiritual side of it. First chance I get, because I want you to see how now the world has drastically changed, plus the things that's happening in the United States of America, okay, things that are happening all over the world at this time as we speak. I'm a little disappointed, but I'm still happy. I'm supposed to be in Spain right now, in my Airbnb, chilling like a villain. But now we're on lockdown in the Dominican Republic, and it is what it is. So this video was basically just to give you an update of what's happening in the Dominican Republic, and you guys keep all these people in your prayers, on your mind. So hopefully when all this stuff is over with, they can unlock the borders so you guys can come enjoy the beautiful, sweet, tropical sunshine, the beaches, and everything else that we've come to know so dear in this country. So, in the meantime, between the time, always remember life to be enjoyed. Hit that subscription notification, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.